It was a beautiful day and everyone was excited. There was a picnic and the whole Nintendo crew was invited. Luigi stood up and said,
"Listen everyone, I love you guys. You are my best friends in the world. You make me glad to be alive."
Excuse me, hi there. I'm the announcer for a fun new family game. It's called Super Smash Brothers.
That sounds nice. How do we play?
Well, first I'm gonna warp you into a world of hate and war, where you'll assault everyone you have ever known and loved before.
I don't think I want to do that.
Oh, come on, it'll be a patch. Now grab all your little friends, cause it is time for us to motherfucking smash!
Wait, no.
Oh!
That's not cool.
I needed that sound!
the park was destroyed, hundreds of bystanders dead. Kirby held Donkey Kong captive in his huge disgust. One said,
Hey Mario, stop crying, just sack up and fight instead.
I'm Luigi. All these bloodstains make my overalls look red.
Sonic looks
Too
up
easy.
till the stop. The madness of cold-blooded murdered overtaken Jigglypuff. He blasted Bowser to infinity with one massive ass hit, and then he took 3,000 punches like it wasn't even shit.
Is the time almost over? I can't tell. My face is mashed.
Don't worry, Luigi, the clock says 4, 3, 2, 1.
This blows.
Come on!
You're my own brother.
Come on!
What do you want? Oh, you're dead, bitch.
Oh shit, I think Luigi's gonna fucking smash!
I guess just because we smash each other doesn't mean we're not brothers. Ah! Mario, you suck!
Bite me!